So right now we are going to discuss concept of logarithmic function because this is very useful in physics, and this is very difficult for NEET students because they did not face such kind of function in class 9, 10th, and if they did not take the math, then maybe they will not face anywhere. Because of that, I am taking here logarithmic function. So first of all, how we can represent logarithmic function? See, like that. We can represent logarithmic function like that. Log x, suppose that x and y. So this will, y will be sir base. Y will read as base. What? Base. And this will read as argument. My dear student, try to understand. Logarithmic function is represented by log xy. Y will read as base and x will read as, this one will read as argument. Done, buddy? Okay. So this is the method to represent logarithmic function. Just take example. Suppose that someone represent like that. 2 and suppose that this is a 5 and this is a 2. Suppose that. So here base will be what? Tell me base. Base is 2 and argument means what? Argument here 5. Done, buddy? So first of all, try to understand how we can represent, how we can identify base, how we can identify argument. Now we are coming on the next part, how to calculate logarithmic value. Yeah. So see, logarithmic value. Again I am telling you, this is a very important concept, how to calculate value of log. Suppose that someone wrote here log argument A base B. Getting the point? Someone wrote here log argument A base B is equal to y. It means what? Or simple, I am telling you value of log means what? What should be power of this one so that base will be equal to argument? Again try to understand. Value of log means what? What should be power of base so that it become equal to argument? That power is called logarithmic value. So see, logarithmic value of log means what? The power of base which make it equal to argument. Remember this example for a small time. And now suppose that, my dear, again I am telling you, can I write? See, try to understand this definition, the power of base which make it equal to argument. Suppose I took here log x and y. Someone asking to us, find its value. So you have to think, what the power of y make it equal to x? That value will be its log value. Suppose I assume z power of x, sorry y, z power of y is equal to x, right? I assume its power is z, then it become equal to x. It means y power z is equal to what? X. Then value of this log is equal to z. Then value of log is equal to z. Because go and see what I wrote. Value of log is equal to power of base which make it equal to argument. So what is the power of base? Power of base is z and it make it equal to argument. So it means this value is equal to z. Simply we can say, can I write now? Simply we can say, my dear, just see here, log xy, or same thing I can write here, y power z is equal to x. Both are same representation. Someone represent like that and someone will represent like that. Both are same. This is equal to z. Getting my points? Okay. So always you have to search what power of our base make it equal to argument. That power will be value of log. Just see the example. Can I write? Okay, fine, fast. Come on, baby, come on. Just see. Log 2 and 8. Find its value. So you have to search. what power of this 2 make it equal to 8? So I don't know. Can I write? 2 power x is equal to 8. Can I write 2 power 3? So x is equal to what? 3. So its value will be 3. This is the value of log. Similarly, you can take another example. Log 5 125. Or just take 25. Just take 25. 25. 25. Tell me. What should be its value? So what should be its power? So it will be 25. 2. So its value will be 2. Getting your points? Next you can take another example. My dear student, another example. Like log 8 and this is a root 2. Now tell me what should be its value. I don't know. But I know. Suppose that its power. Root 2 power x is equal to 8. Can you write this one? 2 into x power x by 2. Because its power is what? 1 by 2. Can I write here 2 power 3? Base same. So can I write here? This is equal to 3. So from here can I write x is equal to 6. So its value is coming what? 6. Getting your point? So this is a method to find value of logarithmic. Another example you can take. Like here, log root 5 and here 5. Now tell me what should be its value. So simple, I don't know. Can I write here? 5 power x is equal to root 5 and root 5 can I write 1 by 2. So x is equal to what? 1 by 2. So its value is what? 1 by 2 coming. It means this value is coming 1 by 2. Done, buddy? Is there any issue? No issue. So such kind of value, such kind of function is called logarithmic function and we can find like that. Is there any issue? No issue. Now coming on to another type. Types of log. And one more, very more important thing. Argument always should be greater than 0. Argument always should be greater than 0. And base, right? Getting your points? Always should be, not equal to 1. Base never should be equal to 1. Done, buddy? Okay, so I'm right. So see here, properties of log. So suppose that I'm taking like that. This is a log A and B. So A must be greater than 0. It may be less than 1, but it must be greater than 0. And B must be greater than 1. Done? Right? Getting a point? So A always should be greater than 0 and B must be greater than 1. First property. Right? Second property, this is the first. Second property, like property of product. Suppose that you have log B and this is a xy. So here arguments are in multiple. So you can write like that. Log xb plus log yb. Getting my points? This all will help us during the solving numericals. Okay. Similarly, we can take properties of division. Properties of division means like that. See, log xy and here base b. So this become log xb minus log yb. So you have to keep in your mind when it is multiple then plus and when it is division then minus. Another see fourth formula. Log, suppose that this is x power n and base b. So this power will be outside. This becomes n log xb. Fifth, see, log x b power n. Then it become, my dear, 1 by n log xb. So whenever there is a power of argument, take directly outside. Whenever power of base, then take reciprocal outside. Right? Okay. The next one you can see here, base change formula. And this is really very good. Base change formula. Suppose that you have to plot here log, this is the A and this is a B. I want to change into in log having base c. Having base c. See, right now here it is given base b and argument a. But we want to change this log in a base c. So simple, take one line, write up. Log c argument a down. Log c argument b. This is called base change formula. Done, buddy? Okay. Then we will study types of log, and after that we will start practice. Can I get? Its graph we will study when I will teach you graph of all functions. Then I will teach you graph of logarithmic function. See, types of log. So my dear, log is of two types. One is called natural log. Natural log. And another is called common log. Common log. Right. Natural log having base e. Having base e. Base e means exponential number 2.7171, non-terminating like that, right? So the log whose base is e is called natural log, and the log whose base is 10, having base 10, my dear, base 10 is called common log. It means natural log we can write here, log, suppose that x e, this is a x and this is a e. So this is called natural log. Or simply we can write this one like ln of x. So whenever you are writing ln of x, it means you are discussing about natural log. Now come on the common log, like log x10. Simply you can write like log x. Whenever you are writing only log x, people will understand you are talking or you are discussing about common log. When you are writing ln of x, people will understand, oh, you are talking about natural log. Getting my points? Okay. Now we are coming how to find out some value, and after that we will use this concept, relation between natural log and common log. Okay, getting my points? Basically, whenever they will give the question based on log, so at least 10 value of, whenever they will give question based on log, they will provide you log table. In log table, they will value mention according to common log, not according to natural log. So always you have to convert all the logs into common log. If there is a natural log, you have to convert into common log. So what is the relation between natural log and common log? Suppose that I want to say, this is the log x and e. So this is, you have to convert into common log. So apply the base change formula. What we can say? Log x, this become 10 divided base change formula. Log e, this become 10 base change formula. Go and see, just I taught you. Right? So, and this value, I want to say this value is always 1 by, because see, this value is what? E is equal to 2.731 or 73 whatever. Sorry, basically 2.71. So 10 is greater than this one. So power of 10 must be less than 1, so it become equal to E. So it is experimentally, I want to say, this value is 1 by 2.3. 1 by 2.3. So this become what? 2.3 log x10. So simply you have to understand, you convert the ln x into log x by multiplying 2.303 or simply 2.3. So whenever you will multiply the 2.3, so ln will be converted into log x. Now come on the point. Tell me what is the value of this one? Log 10, 100. What is the value? Tell me fast. So in log of process, what is the power of 10? So it become 100. Power of 10 should be 2. So it become 100. So its value will be 2. In another way you can say like that. 100 we can write 10 to the power 2, 10. This become 2 outside. And this become 10 and this become 10. Its power 1, this become equal to 10. So 2 into 1, 2. Similarly you can say 1000 with respect to 10 fast, what is the value? You will be say 3. Yes or no? You will be say 3. Similarly, if I want to ask, just check here. Hold. Suppose I want to ask to you, log 100 how you will find? So you have to convert first of all common log 2.3 into log 100 into 10. Now 2.3 into what? 2, because we know that this is 2. So this becomes 4.6 our answer. Getting my points? Simple. So there is a lot of process you can find. Now we are coming on the next process. Up to log 1 to log 10. My dear, up to log 1 to log 10 you have to remember, because in the question maybe they will not give to you. So up to log 1 to log 10 you have to remember. I am going to write here. You also set in your mind. Like log 1. Suppose that I am asking you log 1. Log means I am always talking about base 10. So tell me what will be its power. So it becomes to equal to what? So we know that any number whose power 0 will become what? So its value will be 0. Getting your points? Okay. I am asking about log 2 10. So this value I am telling you, practically it is calculated 0.301. You have to remember log 2 2.301. Now see, log 3 base 10, this is 0.47. Okay. See, log 4. How we can calculate? Simply we can write this one like that. Log 2 power 2 10. And power of argument directly taken outside. So this becomes 2 log 2 10. So this becomes 2 into 0.301. So this becomes 0.602. So this becomes value of log 4. Simply you can find value of log 5. See, log 5. Tell me log 5. Can I write this log 5? Log 10 by 2 10. Can I write? Okay. Now apply the division formula. This is what 10 log 10 minus log 2 10. Division formula x by y. Yeah. Division formula x by y. Log 10. Its base is 10. Argument is also 10. So 10 power 1 is equal to 10. So this becomes 1 minus. This is 0.301. So solve this one. This will become 0.69. Done, buddy? So this is value of log 5. Simply you can calculate log 6. See, log 6. 10. How we can write this one? We can write this one log 2 into 3 into 6. So this becomes, my dear, log 2. Apply the multiple rule. X into y is equal to log x plus log y. So log 2, here should be 10. 10 plus log 3, 10. So log 2, 0.301 plus log 3, 0.7. So now solve this one. So this becomes 177. So 0.77 will be value of log 6. Similarly, you can calculate log 7. Log 7 10. This is coming 0.484. Similarly, you can find log 8 2. We can write this one like that. See, log 2 power 3 by 2. So this becomes 3 into log 2 10. Here should be changed. So this becomes 3 into, we know that this one 0.301. So this becomes, my dear, 0.903. So this is the value of log 8. Similarly, you can calculate log 9, 10. What we can write? Log 3 square 10. So 2 outside. And this is log 3, 10. We know that log 3 is 0.4. 0.47. So solve this one, this becomes 0.94. Simply you can calculate log 10 and 10, so this is 1. So this all data you have to remember, getting my points, so you can calculate this value. Suppose that they are asking the terms of base E. Like that. Log 2E. So I told you, first of all, you have to change E log, common log. So what we can write? 2.3 log 2E. 10 now become, now see. 2.3 into 0.301. So this becomes 0.69. Right? 693 like that. So this will be the value of ln2. Suppose they are asking value of ln5. So simply 2.3 log 5. Log 5 value you put and you will get the answer. So this is all about logarithmic function. Right? Now you are free to do all kinds of questions based on logarithmic function. Getting my points? One is called exponential function. So just I am going to write the equation of exponential function. Graph I will discuss when I will teach the graph. So another is the exponential function. Exponential function you know? Okay, one first to see. Exponential function. I have already told you like that. A power x. I have already explained. The base constant variable power, right, is called exponential function. This is called index or power. This is called base. Like y is equal to 2 power x. This is an exponential function. So index is what? X. Here index is what? Index is equal to 2 and base is equal to what? Index is equal to x and base is equal to 2. So this is called exponential function, right? So again I am telling you, graph of all function I will take when differentiation will finish, then I will teach you graph of each function correctly. Done buddy? Okay, see the next one.